CIROS Studio. Robots, additional axes and paths. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Add the robot. Add a linear axis. Attach the robot to the linear axis. Add a table with a vertical linear axis. Let's get a bit closer. Create a path relative to the table and assign the robot. Create a path node at the robot home position. We will now create some nodes to move to. We will use linear movement. Create 2 path nodes on the table. These are the paths between the nodes. The path in world coordinates is shown in yellow. The path in moving robot coordinates is shown in green. The robot can be moved to each single path node. The robot can also move along the path without programming. Do you see the kinks near the beginning and end of the yellow path? Currently we use linear movement in robot chords. Due to the additional axis under the robot, the path is not linear in world chords. We will now use linear movement in world chords instead of in robot chords. Watch the paths. Now the yellow path in world chords is straight and the green path in robot chords has kinks. We will now switch back. Just like before now. These are our path nodes so far. Create one more path node on the table. This time the table shall move up. Again we will move the robot to each path node. Move the robot along the whole path. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.